What's the meaning of commencement? Commencement. Commencement.
Commencement. Commencement. Commencement refers to the formal ceremony or event that celebrates the completion of a degree program, where graduates receive their diplomas. This event marks the beginning of a new phase in their lives, as they move on to pursue their chosen careers. The atmosphere is usually filled with a sense of achievement, excitement, and pride, as graduates are recognized for their hard work and dedication. This memorable occasion serves as a reminder of the importance of education, of striving towards one's goals, and of the endless possibilities awaiting the future.